Hey guys, my name is Dr. Leo, and today we're going to be talking about gardening. So gardening is a favorite activity for many people. Now that summer is here, it's more of a reason to go out and make your garden looks pretty. So you can always, I always find my parents gardening, and usually in the spring and the summertime, they always complain about pain in the back, pain in the hands, wrists, shoulders, and all of that. So I figured we'd make a video so that everyone is aware of how to treat some of the common injuries. And give you guys some information on how to prevent some of these injuries. So gardening is like exercising. So you don't exercise on a cold muscle. Same thing as gardening. You don't want to exercise when your muscles are cold. So it's nice to have a proper warm up before you go through the gardening. So there are some 4 key steps to follow. So first thing you want to do is you want to stretch your neck, stretch your shoulder, stretch your back, stretch your legs. If you want to know how to stretch, how we have stretching programs, you can refer to my stretching video. I have more information there. Enjoy gardening, but don't strain yourself. So always use a proper lifting posture. Don't carry, always carry objects that are close to you, bring it close to you, and avoid carrying objects that are too heavy. And always keep switching positions. So you want to switch between easy task and hard task. Spend about 20 minutes on an easy task, and then switch to 20 minutes on a harder task, more difficult task, and just keep alternating. And you want to use proper tools. Using the wrong tools that's not right for you can cause more strains on your body. Put on a nice pair of gloves that protect your hand from getting injured. Proper tools. When you go to Home Depot or finding a right tool, make sure that they're right size for you. Don't get the bigger size to get more things done. Just get the one that's right for you. Just keep the loads low. So you want to avoid, main thing we tell our patients is avoid the BLT, avoid bending, lifting, and twisting. So again, if you want to know about how to stretch, or if you want to know more about the injury prevention, you can always give us a call. We'll gladly help you guys out. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you want to see next in the comment below. And don't forget to follow us on the social media. See you guys in the next video.